Hi, I am Deepali Sawan, currently working as a software engineer at Fidelity. I was out of the workforce for about 5 years before returning through the Resume program. My Fidelity Resume return to work journey with Reachhire has been pretty straightforward. So Reachhire had a very methodical process and I always felt like I was kept informed of each and every step in advance. I had a required guidance and support from all the folks at Reachhire and the entire process was seamless and well communicated. Reachhire set me up for success for the Fidelity's Resume program. Reachhire had an amazing 1 week of training, each day geared towards a specific goal as to how you gain the required confidence to talk and communicate after being out of the workforce, how you present yourself when faced with the difficult situation, and how you assess different personalities as you navigate your way in the new work environment, how you avoid conflicts when faced with challenges. So you just feel really prepared and ready to dive in. Highlights that I can share about returning to work at Fidelity is I have been getting excellent support from Reachhire right from the beginning. I am part of an excellent team at Fidelity where folks have been very helpful. So the remote situation posed its challenges when I started, but my manager at Fidelity requested everyone to have a video call so that I can put the voice to the face and get comfortable with the team, and that was really great to start with. So the team knew that I am coming from a break, so they gave me a time when required, but also pushed me and encouraged me to lead some important initiatives which helped me to get my confidence back. So overall I can say it's been a really positive experience so far, and the sense of belonging that I got, and I cannot ask for anything more. Advice for future return to work participants to be successful, I think from my side it would be always keep the growth mindset when it comes to tools, technologies and roles. Believe in yourself, that is really important. Trust others and have faith in the entire process, because Fidelity and Reachhire have a great people who are here to help and make you successful. So your willingness to learn, grow and adapt will help you succeed at the end. My advice for companies considering the return to work program will be: resumers have a tremendous potential and willingness to learn and adapt, a desire to prove that they can become a great assets to the company. Resumers are diverse when it comes to technologies, roles, experience, education, and each one of us are sure to show our worth and help the organization become more successful. So please don't let a gap in our resumes become a bottleneck, because there have been a wide variety of justifiable reasons why someone had to drop out of the workforce. So give returners a chance and you will be amazed by their determination, dedication and work ethics. Finally, I would really like to thank the entire team at Reachhire and Fidelity for opening the doors and giving resumers an opportunity. Folks now and in the future would be forever grateful to you guys. Thank you.